Now the next sensor that we're introducing is the PIR sensor, and PIR of course stands for passive infrared sensor, and very much like the reed switch, these sensors are very popular in home alarm systems. However, this is the one that's typically looking at you from the corner of the room with its red terminator eye. Now this one does not have the inbuilt LED that shines red, but it still detects motion, infrared motion, very much the same as the sensors that you have in your house. So to demonstrate this functionality, we're going to plug this into our microcontroller, into say port D2, and on our scripting side we are going to specify a input device PIR sensor that's attached to it, and let's just save it as PIR again, compile, and run. And now if you sit very still, I moved. If you sit very still, you'll see that it will remain on 0 for no movement detected. Whereas if I start relaxing and I move, say move my hand in front of it, then it will pick up the movement. Keep in mind that this page does have a 2.5 second delay, so the sensor by itself already has a couple of seconds delay. It's so that it doesn't detect absolutely everything. It needs to be sure there's a threshold to make sure that this is acceptable movement. So it's just to show you between the 0 and the 1 that the sensor does indeed work. So to remove the delay of this monitor, however, we can just stop the script first. We're going to introduce our trusty noise maker again, and let's just, what is this? It's this little reed switch magnet gone rogue. So let's plug our piezo buzzer into port D5, and what we want is, if there is movement detected on D2, then we would like, oh, I forgot to specify D5 as a piezo buzzer. So D5, what did I do? Oh, I selected servo motor, so let's try again. Piezo buzzer, going down, buzz, and we want the hertz to be, say, 10,000. Is that 10,000? No, that's 100,000. That's not going to cut it. So 10,000, and in this case, because the PIR sensor does have a, say, 5 second delay, I'm going to make the piezo buzzer, continue its noise for 5 seconds. So let's save our script, we compile it, and we run it, trying to sit very still. So once we start moving, I got such a fright I'm not moving anymore. And we managed to stop the script without moving again, with my mind. So as impressive as that might be, this was to demonstrate the PIR sensor, which is responsible for detecting motion. Very simple to use, very effective in building, small little alarm systems, or, just play, once again, pranks on your friends with it. So that's it for the PIR input sensor.